Channel Crochet Skills. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet a beautiful cord. So we will start with the slip knot and chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Into this first stitch I will work 3 double crochets with 1, 2 and 3 double crochets plus chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and work 3 more double crochets into the same stitch. So 1, 2 and one more to go, 1, 2 and 3 into the same stitch, then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, done. Work in the same way with 3 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3 chains, and then 3 double crochets into the same space, 1, 2 and one more to go, 1, 2 and 3, again chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, then you will turn and into this chain 3 space I will work 3 double crochets, chain 3 and 3 double crochets. So this is how I will work as long as I want, and then I will show you how it looks. It's very beautiful and very easy. You can use it for any you can use it as a lace, or you can use it as a cord for your any tutorial, for your any piece to for the ornaments. And as you can see, this is how it will look, and I will continue it and then I will show you how it looks. So this is how it will look after 15 rounds. As you can see, it's very beautiful, very easy, and it looks like a very elegant cord. So you can use it as a strap of a bag, or as a lace, or as a bookmark, or anything you want. So I hope you have liked it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.